Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk to you about Signex. Now this is a product by Billy Darr, Fingerswamy and Justin Opay, and is due to be released on the 3rd of July at 11 AM Eastern. Now this is all focusing on making money with Forex. Now just a quick summary. Basically, rather than the old way of studying Forex, investing money, losing money and failing and quitting, they're saying that you can buy Signex, which sounds like something you would get for a block nose in my country, activate it and then get results today. So we're going to jump inside, we'll have a look at what this is actually going to be delivering, and then I'll talk to you through the all-important OTOs. So guys, if you haven't been over to my channel before, my name is Richard Darby, this is the School of Nomads. If you're interested in these types of honest reviews, go ahead and hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're really serious and you're trying to figure out a way to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and hit the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads. You'll see a completely free affiliate bootcamp there that you can get started with straight away. So guys, we're going to jump straight inside. I'm not really going to concentrate on the sales page. It's the usual stuff. 1, 2, 3 clicks, you're going to be rich. Basically what you're going to get here is this dashboard. Now you have all of this Forex related stuff here on the front page. No real idea why, it's just here. Then you have a show site button here, which is the sites that this is going to create, and basically this is just a super simple piece of software that allows you to build these sites. This site allows you to put a logo on here. It will allow you to put some drop downs on here, but they're not really related to Forex in any way. And then it's going to bring back some of these articles. Where it's getting these articles from and how it's actually bringing these back, nobody actually tells you. But if I just click on any one of these, you're going to go over to sites like Light Finance. And let's just go back and see if there's any others. This one goes over to Light Finance again. I'll just take a random one down here. Basically, it's scraping articles off Light Finance. Now, in the actual demo video, no one says how you can actually make money with it, but the only thing I'm assuming is that you can actually join Light Finance affiliate program, and you're trying to attract people over to here so that you can make a small percentage of anything that they end up spending. Using this site, there's lots of different links on this site as well that people can go ahead and click on, but basically it's just scraping all of these articles across, and that's really it. If we go onto the dashboard again, you have an area you can put some website information in here. It's not your own website, it's a part of their own subdomain, so it's part of isolic.net. It's one of the subdomains of that site. You're not going to get any visitors over to this site organically. None of the articles on there will rank in any way because they're not unique. They're not going to rank on Google. So basically the only way you'll ever get traffic over to this site is by sharing the link to it somehow. You have an ability to put a website logo in here. Again, if we go back to the show sites piece, it's this horrible little logo up here. There is no more than that. It's probably one of the worst site builders I've seen for a while, to be honest. Then you have a website favicon, which is this little logo that you see on all of your little tabs here. If I just look at my tabs here, they're called favicons, the little logos there. Then you have website plugins. The website plugins are just Google Analytics, Discuss, or WhatsApp. No real use for these. Then you have website SEO that comes to this page that completely crashes. You're not going to get any SEO to this website. They could share it to spammy sites all over the internet. You're not going to get any traffic over to this website. Then you have a website welcome alert that comes up, and then a website URL. So basically they're going to tell you what your website URL is if you want to share this. They have got an area for custom ads here. If you come up, you can add a custom ad. I'm just going to say ad type is say a banner. And basically you can just add a banner and add an ad with a redirect URL there, so it allows you to do that on that site. And then you have this footer section here, because I noticed on their demo site they've got none of this copyright type stuff on their footer section. And then you have this announcement pop-up. You can have a pop-up, and interesting, the pop-ups they actually offer you have got nothing to do with Forex. They're all just like random things. So I just go ahead and open this one, click on this one. Again, I have to add my own images and stuff to the pop-ups. So that's it. It's just a super simple website builder. The Forex is just a completely random connection because they're scraping articles, like I said on this link, over from one Forex site, and that's it. It's not really offering you anything else. So guys, the only way you'd ever make money with this is if you can get lots of traffic over to here and somehow make money with people clicking on here and getting AdSense revenue. you're going to have thousands and thousands and thousands of visitors over to here to get any kind of money. Guys, if you want to build a site, you can do it for free by going to places like Systeme or GetResponse. I can leave a couple of links in the description below. You can go and build a site on those platforms, plus they've got autoresponder connectivity, all of that stuff thrown in for free. So you don't ever need any kind of software like this. This is just complete and utter waste of time, and it's not even a nice looking website when you come over to it. So just jumping over to the OTOs, again there's lots of OTOs, not really any kind of benefit to you. Front end is $17, then you got these upsell ones, limited editions, $47. Apparently you can have unlimited campaigns. I don't know what campaigns of what. This the upsell number 2 is plug and play, is $297. Apparently they'll do a done for you, setup for you. Upsell 3 is Supreme Edition, $39. You can have all of the different automation tools within the completely different products, so they've obviously not done that correctly. Upsell 4 is Buzz. Your customers will get access to automated bot that makes them money. And Upsell 5, Clone My Business Edition. Your customers will get bumped up to 100% across the entire funnel with additional tutorials. So guys, I'm afraid that Signex doesn't really deliver anything. It's just a very, very simple website builder, a subdomain of their own site. Nothing of any value here for you. Even at $17, I would give it a miss. I'd use some free page builder software if you couldn't afford to buy a proper website page builder. I really would, because this is going to be a complete waste of money for you. The way that you build a business in any kind of niche like this is creating lots of content, lots of value, making sure you have unique content, and then you can link back to various other sites that can give you affiliate commissions, but you've got to be providing some kind of value to your audience first to get any kind of traffic over to your site. Hope that was valuable to you. My name is Richard Darby. This is School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're really serious and you're trying to figure out a way to build a business online with affiliate marketing, I'm going to completely free affiliate bootcamp for you. Go ahead and hit the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and we'll get you started straight away. Until next time guys, take care.